This graph is looking absolutely phenomenal. In actual fact, the cumulative return is sitting at about 1,058.4%. That is extremely good. It's a real account, and there's just so much that we need to delve into when it comes to this specific Forex trading robot for the Forex Enigma EA. So stay tuned and watch this entire video. Some exciting stuff I have to share with you. Well, hi there, my friend Erom Julia, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be doing the Forex Enigma EA review. So I don't want us to get disturbed here. What I want to do in this specific video is I'm going to delve into the nitty-gritties and share as much detail with you as I possibly can when it comes to the Forex Enigma. And at the same time, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, I do this on a very regularly basis where I review Forex trading robots, make money online schemes, how to succeed online, all these things, whether it be good or bad, I still share it with you. And at the same time, I've been doing it for about 9 years myself. I've traded Forex myself. I've traded with Forex trading robots, invested in Forex investments, have PM trading, copy trading. So I started back in the year 2015. Hence the reason for you watching this video. I just wanted to get that out there so that you know that the individual you're getting the information from has got quite a bit of background. So I do share some of my story within some of these videos, but at this point in time, I don't want to keep this video for too long. So I'll create a separate video sharing from how I started, the difficult times up to where I am now, earning about $447 on average per sale, having Forex trading robots and all these things. So yes, let's get right into it. As you can see, we are on the homepage of the Forex Enigma, and scrolling down, this is the live performance. This is what they are sharing with you. And in actual fact, in the description below this video, I will leave a link to this FX Book account, or FX Blue, sorry, account, the Forex Enigma Reel. Now, I just want to hop over to this one right here, the Forex Enigma. I've actually opened it up. So what I will do is I'll share this link in the browser. I'll share it with you in the description of this video. So within this video, I'm going to delve into the nitty-gritties and show you the returns of the robot, etc., and expose what needs to be exposed and share with you what needs to be shared in order to help you make an informed decision. It's extremely important that when you decide to purchase something or when you decide to buy something, you know what you're looking at. Okay. So that's number one. Number two, we are going to talk about Forex Virtual Private Service, VPSs. It's extremely important. I don't want you to miss that, especially when it comes to Forex trading robots. We can just touch base on Forex trading brokers quickly, and then that is the most important for me. And if you find this video of valuable information, please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I'd really appreciate that. Okay, now, looking at the Forex Enigma Reel account. Firstly, you can see the current balance is sitting at $28,746, of which I wanted to quickly total return. That's not what I wanted to see. There is something that I wanted to share with you. So FX Blue is slightly different. I love doing a review on my FX book because my FX book is much simpler. But I just wanted to do okay, we'll get to that now. I wanted to have a look at the deposits and then look at the total balance compared to the deposits that they've made. Now, next, we'll get to that. Very important thing is you will see that the account is real and it's got a green tick. It's a verified account. Now, if you click on that green tick, it will actually bring you over to this page. And on this page, it will share with you exactly what it means. What's a green tick, a verified account? What's a semi-verified account? And then you've got the third account that is like, anyway. So just do that. My internet's a little bit slow now, but you can click on that green tick and it will open it up for you. Okay, next, the cumulative return at this point in time, it is sitting at 1,000. In actual fact, 1,000, and I just had it now, 1,061.9% return. Now, it might not sound like a lot. It is a lot because this Forex trading robot has only been trading for almost 3 years. Imagine having a return on investment of just over 1,000% in under 3 years. What if you've invested $10,000? You've traded $10,000. What if you've traded $100,000? Having 1,000% plus increase or return on investment in under 3 years. How would that change your investment? Now, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. I don't want you to take any of this as financial advice. I'm not a licensed broker or anything like that. Read the disclaimer, pause this video, take some time, and let's continue along. Okay, so the cumulative return, next thing I want you to pay attention to. In actual fact, let's look at okay, we've seen the balance is 28,000. What I do want to share with you will be the cumulative return, which we've just looked at, the monthly return. I want to have a look at the monthly return. Okay, on average, you can see this is how the robot's been performing. So back in the year 2022, this specific month, it had a 47% return. Here we've got a 2.6% return, a 1.1, 4.8, 0.8, a 7.5% return, 1.8% return, nothing for this month. And in the month of April, so far, a 12.7% return for the month of April. So it is actually doing phenomenally well. Now, to make it simple, I actually want to open up the analysis. Let's go over to the analysis just to share this with you as well, because it's very important that I share all these types of things with you. Market return, I'm not too worried about that. Here you can see the percentage per day, if you want to have a look at the percentage per day and how this specific Enigma EA performed per day. And then you can have a look at the winners, the losers, max buy, hours of the day traded, the duration, and the profit. Okay, this one right here, extremely important. Duration, profit, market. Now, this shows you how long it's been trading for. 8 days, and then that's the amount of dollars it made. Amount of dollars. Now, on average, you can see these trades 5 days, 6 days, and then you've got a few trades on 20 days, which is quite long, and I'll explain to you now why. And then you've got a trade trading at 52 days. 52 days, guys, and it actually ended in loss. You can see minus $238.44. Next one was also a loss at $205.71. 259 also a loss. Now, I'm sharing this with you. As you can see, this robot trades the Euro CHF. Now, the reason I'm sharing that with you is I need to get you to understand what swaps is. So swaps is a fee you have to pay for a forex trading trade, or a trade staying open for longer than 24 hours. As soon as it stays open for longer than 24 hours, you have to pay overnight swaps. It's a fee you have to pay. Call it a rental fee. And in this case, you can just imagine what the swaps would be for a trade staying open for 52 days. And it ended in the loss. 49 days, 42 days, 41 days. These trades, 31 days, 31 days, 35 days. So I'm not saying it's a bad robot at all. I'm just saying it's something to pay attention to. Still looking at the cumulative returns, the percentages, it's looking absolutely phenomenal. It's just that these things takes money out of your profit. You actually want... Number one, you want your swaps to be, or your trading days to be, as short as possible. Number two is you want your drawdowns to be as low as possible. That is the risk you are willing to take within your trades at any point in time. And we'll get into the drawdown just now. So that is extremely important for me. Now, if we go back, I want to go to the, instead of the analysis, I think it was going to be the stats. I wanted to share with you, on average, currently, it's setting at about an 8.6% return per month. It's setting on a weekly return of about 2% per month. And as you can see, the history since this account started trading, not when it was added to FX Blue, since the account started trading. Because what FX Blue will do is they will take the data from the broker. As soon as the first deposit was made, then the trade started taking place. That's how the history works. So in this case, 873 days. So that tells you it's just over 2 years. So it's 600, 700, it's just over 2 years. And this account returned on average just over 1,000% in over 2 years. Just over 2 years. That is phenomenal. It's crazy. Here you can see the current equity is sitting at 28,300. The balance is 28,700. So that tells me that there's a few open trades. It might be one trade, a few trades, we don't know, because your equity is basically what is left in the account while the robots are, or while the trades are taking place, while the trades are active. This is the actual physical equity that is left. The balance is what the account was standing on before the trade started happening, before the trades went live. So the actual balance of the account is still sitting at 28,700. But if all the trades had to close immediately with immediate effect, you would end up with a $28,395.50 or 80 cents in your account. Okay, that's a simple way of explaining it. Next, I wanted to get to the drawdown. There was a way, and that's why I'm saying my FX book is much simpler to do reviews for you guys. It wasn't on the risk, it was on the, just bear with me 1 second while you are watching this video. It was somewhere, I'm not sure if it was under the analysis, then you've got the sub tabs, or was it where we were at just now, the statistics. There we go, statistics. You've got the strategy, daily, direction, charts. Let's head over to charts. It's not going to be under charts. Let's go back to overview. While I've got you on the line, in actual fact, before we continue, while we're looking at this, big tip from me to you is, if you feel like you want to invest in Forex trading robots, extremely important, make sure you've got enough money. And what I mean by enough money, I mean enough passive income. Make sure you've got enough passive income coming in on a monthly, on daily basis. So, because Forex trading in actual fact is still risky. No matter what you do, it is risky. And you don't want to take your bread and butter money and invest and purchase a Forex trading robot, then start investing, and you are still learning, etc., and you end up blowing your account within a few days or a few months or maybe overnight. Okay, you don't want that. So this should be seen as an investment in the sense of, you've got more than enough money, everything is paid for, this is money that is in excess, and you just want to see if you can grow this amount of money, and you want to start with Forex trading. That's what you want to do. Next tip from me to you is have at least 5 Forex trading robots, maybe even 10 Forex trading robots, because think of this, if you've got 5 trading robots, different styles, different strategies. Firstly, you are kind of not eliminating risk, but you are lowering your risk. You are spreading your risk, spreading your or diversifying your portfolio. So now I've got 5 robots going for you. So let's say 2 fails. You've got another 3 going that might make up for these 2's failures. Then you will never use these 2 Forex trading robots again. Then you can add another one, and so you build on your Forex trading portfolio, especially when it comes to Forex trading robots. So if you are interested in passive income, check this out. I am the owner and founder of this website that you're on right now, Empire Digest. This is it's not a website, it's a hub. If you want to know more, click this. Do you want to make more money? Click the show me how to make money button, and this will teach you how to make passive income. Look at this. I'm logged into my backend. Okay, I'm going to scroll all the way to the top. As you can see, hi Errol, that is me, that is my account. Just want to scroll down a little and share this with you. So far for this month, just with one source of income. Now, I believe in multiple sources of income. I have multiple sources of income. So far for this month, I've earned $894.60 with one source of income. This hub right here consists of multiple sources of income, multiple affiliate links. Okay, so that is just with one source. And if you want to know and see how I managed to do that, you can literally check out this right here. Click on this link. And at the same time, if you want to follow all my social media profiles, it will be in the description below this video. Firstly, this link right here, this button, will be the first link in the description below this video. You're more than welcome to check out all my social media accounts where I share my income proof with you on like a daily and a weekly basis, like tracking every day. You're more than welcome to check that out as well. So back to the actual review. What I wanted to share with you is, let's quickly click on the balance. It was the cumulative, no profitability factor, duration, balance. Here we go. Balance drawdown. That is what I was looking for. Okay. At this point in time, I don't see any drawdowns. Look at that. 0%, 0%, 0%, 0%, 0%, 0%, 0, 0, 0. So why it would show 0, I don't know. But the only time it would show as a 0 is if the the actual risk that the robot is taking is so small that it does not affect the percentages. If you watch any of my previous videos, on the top right hand side, the notification, you will notice that on my FX book, it's much simpler to review any forex trading robot and delve into the nitty gritties of it. So once again, look at this: all trades, duration, profitability. The blue ones are profitable, the red ones are losses. And as you can see here, we've had massive losses at like okay, it doesn't give you the amount of days at this point. It gives duration of hours. So you can just take this amount of days or hours, 1,262 hours, and divide it by what, 60 minutes an hour is 60, or you can just take that and divide it by 24. So that's a day, and then you'll get the amount of days that these trades were open for and staying open for. So it is quite interesting. And once again, looking at everything we just looked at, there's something else I think I wanted to share with you. We covered the drawdown, we covered the growth, we've covered that it's a real account, trading live funds, the profit factor, not too much worried about that. What I do want to share with you is VPS services. Okay, what is a VPS service? It's a virtual private server. Okay, and why use a virtual private server? So going back to the screen right here, once on this homepage, the first link in the description, I want you to scroll down, click on the Forex tab. Once on the Forex tab, I want you to then scroll down. Firstly, okay, before we talk about VPS services, if you are interested in Forex Enigma EA, how do you get a hold of this robot? What you can do is on the same page, the Forex page right here, you can scroll down. You can click on the Forex trading robots right here, the learn more. Let's quickly click on it. You can then go to Forex store right here, the one that says Forex store. Click the access now button. And then while it's loading, you can just type in the search bar Forex Enigma. Once you're on Forex Enigma, you can then go ahead and purchase the robot right there should you be interested. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so back to this screen, just going back one page, scrolling down, Forex VPS services. Click the learn more button. Okay, Forex VPS service, the reason I recommend Forex VPS services is because a forex trading robot uses a lot of calculations and indicators and everything that forms part of a forex trading robot style or strategy. Now, if you interrupt all those formulas and calculations and trends at any point in time, that specific robot might not know what to do at that point in time, whether it should take a trade, stop out a trade, take a profit, take a loss. It doesn't know what to do, and you can either end up making a lot of money in one trade, or you can end up blowing your account, losing all of your money in one trade because you've had PC interruptions or laptop interruptions or Mac interruptions. You've had internet interruptions because your internet might not be stable, and that is why I recommend using a Forex VPS server. So what happens is you're basically renting server space that's got an uptime of 99.99%. If they are scheduled for maintenance, they will let you know way ahead of time that they are scheduled for maintenance. And then you can just close the charts, close everything you need to close, let them do the maintenance, and it's back up and running again. Very stable. You can select the speed that you are looking for, the specs. What I would suggest you do is when it comes to Forex VPS services, you can actually contact the support of Forex Enigma. You can then ask them, listen, I want to run using a VPS service. I want to install your Forex trading robot on a VPS service. What specs would you recommend I run with? They know what a VPS service is, so it's nothing new for them, for Forex trading owners and developers, etc. And they will tell you, listen, this is what it would require, and you would then go and check out either Scala hosting, FX Open, or AccuWeb, and you would then find a good, reliable Forex VPS service at an affordable price for you. And then what you do is you install your MetaTrader 4 on the VPS service, and then you take your Forex trading robot, you attach it to the chart that you want to trade, and there you go. You set it, you let it go, and you basically almost forget about it, if I can put it like that. Obviously, you want to check it because it's your money that's in there, but then again, it's like a set and forget. That is why I like talking about Forex VPS services. It's extremely important. Then going back one, I'm going to share with you quickly my personal Forex trading broker that I've been using since the year 2015. You click on the Forex trading brokers and then scrolling down. This is one that I've been using, and I'm checking out a few other Forex trading brokers. And when the time is right, I will add them to this list. But for now, FX Open is my number one recommended Forex trading broker. I've personally used them and I still use them till this day. Okay. And then that is basically it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, loving, financially successful life and be blessed with everything that is good and wonderful. Stay tuned, like this video, subscribe, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Enjoy.